Oh no, the barn. It's such a mess. We can't leave it like this. We have to clean up.
But messy is fun. Why clean it up? I don't want to clean. I don't like to clean.
But Pig, with all this mess, it's hard to walk or play in here. If we clean up, we'll have more space to run around, and it'll be much nicer for everyone.
I guess you're right. It's a little crowded in here, but cleaning sounds boring.
Not if we do it together. I can sweep the hay and organize, and you can help get rid of the mud. Plus, think of how nice it'll be once it's all done.
All right, I'll push the mud out with my hooves. Let's get to work.
They started cleaning together. Mr. Cow grabs a broom and starts sweeping the scattered hay into neat piles, while Mr. Pig uses his strong hooves to push the mud out of the barn door, whistling happily as he works.
Wow, I'm so glad you helped me clean Mr. Cow. Not only was it easier together, you showed me that cleaning can also be fun.
No problem, Mr. Pig. Thank you for helping me clean. Now let's go outside. I heard this mud thing was pretty fun.